So guys, open any browsers to Google search box, search like you can see here Lenovo ThinkPad P16 and go to this first URL pcsupport.lenovo.com. So you can see this guys, if you showing here your different system, so no worry, you just enter your laptop serial number and then click to search here and hit enter. Okay, it will show your system, which is you put your device serial number. After that you can see this is all the separate drivers showing here. Then guys, Bluetooth, so Intel Bluetooth driver, if you install the different one also there, so try to Bluetooth Intel driver, it is good for your system. Then click to download. So it is completed. Then click to setup, then yes, then next, I accept, then next, install, install and install. Intel Bluetooth driver spec installed successfully, and then finished. After that, restart your system. Okay, thank you.